operators like assignment operator,
Okay.
right? So suppose to assign any value to the variable, so which is single assignment, right?
Okay.
We have relation operators. Relational operators. Those operators are less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, double equal, not equal, right?
Yes.
We have Boolean operators, logical operators, sorry, logical operators. So the logical operators are and, are, not. These are logical operators. Bitwise operators. Bitwise operators.
Okay.
Those are single and, single or. We have other operators also like left shift, the right shift. These are bitwise operators. Now we have special operators. Special operators are classified into two types. One is membership operator, that is in, not in. The other one is identity operator. Identity operator is your is not.
Okay.
These are different types of operators in Python. Let me go one by one. Arithmetic operator. So to perform arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, we use arithmetic operators, right?
Okay. Yes.
Suppose to add to employee salaries, right? Suppose to multiply quantity with price, supposed to do those kind of operations, we use arithmetic operators.
Okay.
Let's say for example, I have a quantity of a particular product is 5, price of that product is let's say 12 rupees. Suppose to find total price of that is quantity into price, right? So
Yes.
now here we are using multiplication operator, right?
Yes, sir.
Now coming to the assignment, what do you mean by assignment? 5 is assigned to quantity identifier. 12 is a constant value which is assigned to price identifier, which is assigning the value, right? So 5 is assigned to this variable, 12 is assigned to the price variable, right?
Yes.
So these are kind of assignments are called simple assignment. Now I'm just assigning this expression to the variable called total underscore price is equal to this, right? Now this is expression, right? Quantity into price. This expression is assigned to the variable called total underscore price.
Price.
This is an expression. This
Okay.
expression is assigned to dot underscore price. This is compound assignment, right?
Okay. Yes.
Now, third type of operator is relational operator. So these relation operators are used to establish the relation between two identifiers, right? I
Yes.
have a product 1 price P1 underscore price is equal to 65, P2 underscore price is equal to some 34 value I have taken here. Suppose to find out which is a bigger one,
Okay.
right? Now this
Yes.
operator we have to use here to compare two identifiers, right? I'm just
Yes.
writing here P1 underscore price greater than P2 underscore price. If this is greater,
Yes.
here first identifier value is greater than the second identifier value, then it returns true. In
Yes.
this case, which is correct, is this returns true or not? Because
Yes, sir. True.
65 is greater than 34.
34.
When particular condition is true, I want to execute some sort of instructions, then I'll go for what? Relational operator,
Okay.
right?
Yes.
Now here it should return true. What value is returning here? This is
True.
returning true,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Now, so like that, you can use all other operators also. Suppose to check less than or less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, comparison purpose. So you
Okay.
can use double equal, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, these operators which will help us to establish the relation between two operands or two identifiers or two variables. We use a relational operator.
Okay.
Now, coming to the logical operator. These logical operators always deals with the logical operations like and or not. Say for example, now here I have two product prices here. Now here 54 I'm taking here, 48 I'm taking here. Then what I want to do now, if the price of first product is divisible by 6 and price of second product is divisible by 6. Here I am saying AND operation.
Okay.
P1 underscore price is divisible by what? Divisible by 6 is equal to what? 0.
Okay.
And P2 underscore price divisible by 6 is equal to 0. Both conditions, right? Now
Yes, sir.
in this expression we have used a relational operator, that is double equal, then we used logical operator, that is and, a and the and. This is English statement. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
so now if both conditions are satisfied, then it returns what? True.
True.
You
Yes.
tell me 54 is divisible by 6.
Yes, sir. It will.
When it is true, then it goes for the second expression,
Okay.
right? P2 underscore price divisible by 6. If the
Okay.
first condition itself is failed, need not to check the second one, no?
Yes, yes.
Because false and true always false,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
You see this, now it is giving true. In
Yeah.
real time scenario, suppose to write any conditional statements like if, right? For example, your
Yeah.
employee ID is 101.
Okay.
Okay, I want to get the data from the employee record whose employee ID is 101 and salary is 70,000. Here I am using AND operation, right?
Yes.
What I am looking here, I am looking for whose ID is 101 and whose salary is 70,000, then get his record. Meaning here, his employee ID, his name, his address. I want to look into his data,
Okay.
right?
Yes.
So in those cases, we will use these relational operators and as well as we use logical operator,
Logic. Yes.
right?
Yes. Right.
That is what this is the purpose of logical operator. Logical operator always yields Boolean values. Correct,
Okay.
no?
Yes.
This is true, this is true. This dealing with only Boolean values.
Only true and false.
Correct, no? If this
Yes.
is true, then only it is going for the other expression. Checking. True and true, true, true and false, false, false and true, false, false and false, false. When
Yes.
both the Boolean values are true in AND case, then only it returns true.
Yeah.
In remaining all cases, it returns false.
False.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah. Then coming to the next operator is bitwise operator. What do you mean by bitwise operator? I think you are aware of this because you might use these bitwise operators in mechanical, like some of the subjects. For example, in robo automation, you use bitwise operators too because
He
these
noted.
bitwise
Yes.
operators deals with the zeros and ones only, na?
Yes. Yes.
Here deals with zeros and ones.
Once.
And right. Okay.
Okay.
And now let me take simple example here. I am having the value a1 is equal to some value 5, a2 is equal to some value 3. Now, if I am doing this operation, bitwise operation, which is single and a1 and a2, you tell me what result you will get. 5 and 3. What you are expecting?
It will
What?
come 5 and 3 like separately.
5 and 3? No, no. So what value will get?
In A1 it will come 5 and A2 it will come 3. Yes.
No, no. Here I use the operator, na?
And operator, yes.
Yeah. 5 and 3. What value you will get?
And operation. Maybe if both are not same, no, sir, maybe it will come false.
Here the interpreter is doing this. This is automation. Automatically it is computed by the interpreter, right?
Yes.
Now, what happens internally here? Let me talk about this. This is very interesting here because you should know the internal functionality of this operator. Okay.
Okay.
First here A1 is equal to how much here? We
5.
have 5. This 5 is converted into binary. Binary equivalent of 5 is 101. Okay.
Okay.
You know how we'll get this 101?
No, sir. No.
Divisible by 2, no?
Okay, okay.
Let me take the pen here. I'll show you paint window. I'm opening here. Bear with me, just couple of minutes, seconds. Okay. Here, so I have 5, right? I'm taking
Yes.
pencil here, first 5 here, 5. Now how it is doing this? By a decimal is converting into binary. 2 2s are 2
Yes.
2s are 4. Okay,
Yes.
1 carry, right?
Yes.
Then again I'm dividing by 2. 2 1s are.
One time.
So then here remainder is how much?
0.
0, right? No carry because it is divisible by 2.
Okay. Yes.
Now
Yes.
here we have to write from bottom to top. 1,
Yes.
then 0, then 1, right?
Yes.
So this is value is base 2. Base 2 means here binary.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now in binary, okay, you keep 0 at the beginning because at least 2 to the power of 4 means 16 bit, right?
Yes.
The minimum is 16 bit here. That's why I need to write this. Okay.
Okay.
Now this is binary equivalent of
5.
5. Okay. Now, so how your system is doing? Now same thing like for A2 also internally what it is doing here, it's converting into binary here, right? Binary equivalent of 3 is here 1 1
Okay.
0 0. Okay.
Okay.
Now so it will apply and operation 1 and 1,
Both are 1 it will come.
correct, no? So
Yeah.
1 and 1 is 1, 0 and 1
0.
0,
0. 0.
1 0 is also 0 and 0. Okay,
Yeah.
this is what?
And operation.
Okay, and operation. Now it is in binary, right?
Yes.
How we have to convert this into decimal again? How your system is going to convert it here? Now again, so that is a simple thing. Here 0 0 0
1.
and 1, right?
Yeah.
Now what, first of all we should start from 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 0 into 1 plus, then here 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 1 into, here the value is there now,
Yes.
0, you should
0.
multiply with 0, like that, plus, okay, how many bits are there, those many bits we need to power it and multiply with that respective bit.
Okay.
Okay, 240
Okay.
is how much here? 1. 1 into 1, you get
1.
1 only. Okay,
Yeah.
this is in case of AND operation, we'll get 5 and 3 will get only 1.
Okay.
Okay, let me see. We are getting there. See how it is happening. As I told you, your interpreter is beautifully doing this, right? First,
Yeah.
A1 is converting into, okay,
Zero one
because
zero.
this is a command, no? The command is as
Yes.
it is displaying here.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. I'll copy it here. I'm just removing here. Again, I'm running here because the recent data here. It's printing one, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
In case of R, that would be different. So here, in place of this, when I apply 1R1, this is for AND. Okay. This is for bitwise AND. Okay.
Okay.
Then 1, 0. Now, let me start from last here. 1R1, 1.
One.
1R0, 1. 1R0, 1 only. Okay. 0R0,
Yes.
0 only.
Zero.
This is what R operation, right? So
Yes.
1 R1 1, 0 R1 1, 1 R0 1, 0 R0 0. This is a binary equivalent. Okay.
Okay.
The
Yeah.
binary equivalent of this table 1 is 7. It's like same formula, right? 2 to the power of 0 into
Yes.
1
One.
plus 2 to the power of 1 into 1
Yes.
plus 2 to the power of 2 into 1. 2 to the power of 2, 4 plus 2, 6 plus
Six
1,
plus 7.
7. How it is? This is what internal operation.
Okay.
You understood now?
Yes, sir.
This is very much because the internal operation is done by the interpreter, right? Because that
Yes.
operator is doing that computation. Okay, we are not doing manually. For internal understanding, I explained this.
Okay.
Am I clear? I hope it's clear, right?
Yes. Clear, sir.
This is all about what? Bitwise
Bitwise
operator
operator.
and or not. So we have other operator also in bitwise operator. Okay, now there is operator called here. Okay, let me do as it is here. I'm just commenting it here. This is for
Or
bitwise
bitwise.
or then A1 less than 2. What is the meaning of this? What do you mean by this? I'm
Less than.
shifting 2 bits from left to the right. This is left shift, na?
Yes.
When I'm shifting the bits from left to right, is that value is increasing or decreasing?
Decreasing only.
No, no, from left to
From
right. Because in X
left to
coordinate and
increasing.
Y
Yes, sir.
coordinate, it has to
From left to
increase,
right.
right?
Yes, yes. Left to right, it is increasing. Yes.
Right. Now, what is the value of 5 binary equivalent is 0,
Two
1,
zero.
0. Okay.
Okay.
Let me explain this. Because in this case, we have to take 16 bits. Okay. And just trying here for the sake of your understanding and explaining this. Binary equivalent of 5 is 0, 1, 0, right?
Yes.
Okay. Here I need to take 16 bits here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 0, This is 1, this is 2, this is for third bit, this is for fourth bit, this is for fifth bit, this is for sixth bit, this is for
7.
seventh bit. Okay.
Okay.
Let me write this. 1 I'm filling, 0 I'm filling, 1 0.
Okay.
Okay, remaining all bits are 0 only, because you can keep all bits as 0, so there is
Okay.
no change in the value. Okay, the value will not be changed here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now we are shifting how many bits here? 2 bits from left. This is left now.
Yeah, left side, double left.
I'm shifting from here to here.
Yes.
2 bits I'm shifting. Okay,
Okay.
wherever we have starting value is 1, so this is countable. Okay,
Okay.
1 0
0, 1 double 0.
1 double 0. Okay, so can
Okay.
we convert this into decimal here? 2 to the power of 0, this is 2 to the power of 1, this is for 1, 2 power 2 here, this is 2 power 3, right?
Yeah, 3.
Okay, then 2 to the power of 4. 2 power 4 into 1, how much? We'll get 16, right?
Yeah.
Plus, now 2 power 3 into 0, 0 only. 2 power 2
0,
into 1, 4, no?
4,
Okay. 16 plus 4 is equal to how much?
20.
Okay. And this, when you are shifting 2 bits from left to the right, so here the value is increasing. Okay, you will get 20 here. You should get 20 here. Let me
Yes.
see. Yeah. This is
Yes.
what internal functionality. Your operator is doing this. I'm not
Yes.
doing this. So manually I explained you for understanding.
Okay.
Okay. Am I clear?
Yes. Okay.
This is about what? Bitwise operator.
Bitwise operator.
So as like same right shift also, we have to shift the bits from right to the left. Can you do that? You try it out.
Okay.
Can you try it out? To do the same thing.
Yeah. Okay. I will do it, sir.
You please try it out. So what
Okay.
I'll do here, I'm sharing. You take the screenshot of this diagram here. Please take the
Okay.
screenshot,
Yeah.
print screen, paste it in Word document. Better to maintain this because you can refer it later.
Yeah. I took already, sir. Screenshot. I took a.
Okay, thank you. Now the last operator is your special operator. These special operators in Python. These operators are useful in programming also. Now, in special operators here, we have two categories in this here. One is membership operator, that is in, not in. We'll use these operators later. Please be careful. Okay. So when
Okay.
we do it in the program, please try to remember. You have to remember this. Is not. Okay.
Okay.
Let me see. I have a message here. String message str1 is equal to be good, do. Okay. Just I
Okay.
have a message here. This is, let's say, one message here, string message here. Okay, sentence, let us assume sentence here. Now, what I want to do, sir, I'm just checking whether B is a member of str1 or not. Now I'm writing this statement here. You can write it here, print statement here. Because the exhibitor no need to write the print automatically, the exhibitor itself is understanding, he is going to print the message. Okay. Now what you are looking in the sentence here, you are looking for B. Is a B is a member of this str1?
Yeah, B is there.
Is it there? Hello?
Hello. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Is this substring is a member of this sentence or not? You tell me now. Just English statement, na?
Yeah, B is there, sir. It is
Where is B? Where it is there?
the starting letter B. It is.
No, that is the capital, na? This is a small letter. How
Yeah,
it will
it is
accept?
Windows 181. It is smaller than what big kept.
No. Here, small b, small a every time. Is this
Okay.
substring is a member of str1 sentence or not? I am using the operator here, membership operator in. B is a
Yeah.
member of str1. If
No,
it is a member, returns true,
it is
otherwise
not.
returns false.
It is not a
It is
member.
true false.
Yes.
Now let me see here.
Yeah, it is a member now.
It is a member, na?
Yes.
For those purpose to check whether a particular substring or particular value is a member of a particular sentence, we use membership operator, which is in.
In operator.
Okay.
Okay.
Say for example, I'm just taking the data here, emp is equal to some data I'm taking here, I'm taking Abhi here, I'm taking C here, I'm taking SRI here, I'm taking RAM here. So what I want to do, this is iterator, right? This is object. EMP is
Okay.
an object which is storing collection of elements,
Okay.
right? I'm going to check now here Sriram is a member of this employee or not in this record. How will I check?
We need to use print 3 in
What
empty.
I'm doing here, I'm commenting this here, print here, I'm writing print here Abi in
In
EMP. Will
empty.
it give
Yeah.
error or will it give error?
No, because of it is there. B is there.
Abi
Yeah.
is
True.
there.
Yes.
Now I'll change it like this. Sriram. Sriram is a member of this because
No.
it's supposed to check whether I am a member of a particular record, particular data structure, particular company. So what I have to do here? I should use this operator.
Okay.
Now, is it checking? No, this is not a member of this CMP record.
Yes.
This record is not available here.
Okay.
Okay, please try to understand this micro level operators because these operators will use it in our program. So once you are strong in this, you can create programs, you can write programs, you can develop programs.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now this is all about what? Membership.
Member.
So I'll change it to not in. This is not a member of EMP. Then it returns
It is
true,
not
obviously.
true. Okay.
Okay. It is giving true, right?
Yes.
Now your sal1 is equal to 45,000. Sal2 is equal to 45,000. Okay, now what I want to do now, print sal1 is sal2. Is it true or false?
Both are true only. Both are
Identity.
45,000.
It checks the identity of both identifiers. Identity of S1, because S1 is salary 1 is an instance of which class? Integer class.
Yeah,
Okay. It
integer.
is the
Yeah.
object, right? Integer.
Yes. Yes.
Sal2 is also integer. Right? Both are integer, right? Both are
Yes.
referred to the same memory location.
Oh, yeah.
If these two values are same, then it checks the identity. It is giving false. Why it is giving false? Now, let me check identity of this ID1, sal1, print ID of sal2. These two are write in a single print statement here. Now, see, these
IDs are different.
addresses are different, right?
Yeah.
That's why it is giving
False.
false. Right. Okay.
Okay.
So it checks the identity. Okay. That's why we are calling this operator is identity operator.
Operators. Okay.
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 Is this clear? Any more doubts?
No, sir. Up to here clear.
Okay. No. We have finished all the operators, right? So as of
Yeah.
now, we talked about arithmetic operator, assignment operator, relational operator, logical operator, bitwise operator, special operator. Okay.
Okay.
So once you are strong in this building block, we can go for programming. Okay.
Okay.
Now the next part in this Python is control statements. Okay.
Okay.
Control statement.
State.
What do you mean by control statement? Control statements. What is mean by control statements? What do you think control statement? What do you think about these control statements?
Means whatever the statements we are using some.
No, your program is executing sequentially. Suppose if you want to break the flow. For example, let me take a generalized example. So when you are walking on a road, okay,
Okay.
some speed breaker or anything has occurred in between while moving on a road or while walking on a road. So what you will do?
We'll get slower. We'll divert otherwise.
What you will do? You'll change your path or else you will wait for some time.
Yes.
Something has happened, right?
Yes, sir.
What decision you are taking? Something has happened while walking on a road in certain situation. You are changing your decision, right?
Yes.
You need to wait or you need to go slowly or something. Something has to do. That decision you have to take, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That is, it is controlling the flow. When you are going in a sequential manner, something's happened, then you have to take some decision. When the
Okay.
program is executing sequential order, supposed to break the flow of execution. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose to break the flow of program execution, we use control statements. So we have if else in Python, nested if. These are control statements in Python.
Okay.
Okay. Now, what I want to do now, yeah. Now, I have a data here. I have a data. The data the data structure contains the employee salaries. All employee salaries. What you will do? Now, what I want to do from that employee salaries, I want to get the data of employees who are getting more than 50,000.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
Now, let me see here. One. I copy the same data here. Now, let me first check with this too. Now, I want to check whose salary is greater than 50,000. If Sal1, this is a conditional general notation we have to write. If is a keyword, this we have discussed in the keyword building block, right?
Yes.
Sal1 is identifier, greater than is relational operator, then Sal2. Here we will not use any curly braces. Now we have to use colon here. The colon is telling to the interpreter, please open the indented block where we can write some set of instructions.
Okay.
Now, if is a keyword, sal1 and sal2, these two are identifiers. I use the operator. What is this operator? Relation
Greater
operator.
relation operator.
Yeah. Now the colon is, it is like a curly brace in C programming, because here it is giving an indented block. So the statements which are comes under it is telling the cursor is blinking now.
Yes.
So you need to write the statement. Statement must be separated here. Yes.
Okay.
Statement must be separated by new lines or semicolon. Okay. Or else you can
Okay.
use colon or semicolon or new line. So what I want to do, I want to print EMP1 salary is greater than 50k. Okay. If this condition fails, now the cursor is blinking. Can you see the cursor here?
Yeah, I can see.
Now
It
we
is
are out
starting
of,
position.
yeah, we are out of the if block.
Okay.
This is only the if block. I have written only one statement, which is EMP1 is EMP1 salary is EMP1 salary is greater than 50k.
Okay.
If this is not the case, have been comes out of the if block. Okay.
Okay.
Now I am out of the if block. So what I am doing here, else colon, I'm printing it here, print EMP2 salary is greater than 50k. If that is not the case, here decision making is required when certain condition is true. If this condition is satisfied, which statement gets executed here? First statement gets executed. If the first condition itself is failed, the control directly transfer to the else
Else.
block. So the
Okay.
colon must be there. The colon is telling to the interpreter, please tell me to write, please tell me the indented block for writing the set of instructions under that
Okay.
block.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
is it clear?
Yes, clear, sir.
Now let's compile this program. Let me check now. EMP2 salary is greater than 50K. Is it
50K.
right?
Yes.
Okay, instead of doing this, what we can do now, I'll take the data from the user. Load data I want to take it from the user. Let's take integer data only. Int of which function I have to use to take the data from the user?
In.
Input function. Correct, no?
Yes.
Enter, enter, emp1 salary. Okay.
Okay.
Then int of input of enter emp2 salary. Okay.
Okay.
Now, so it depends upon the input data. Let me see if these 86,000 are given. Now I'm giving here some data. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Is it employee one salary is greater or
Employee one is
greater, no? Because
yes.
86,000 is greater than 56,300.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Like this, so we can use our control statement, that is if else. When do we use if condition? You have to take one challenging task. I'll give you. Okay, I'll give it to you.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you, sir.
So which voice is clear? This one or earlier one?
This one is clear.
What about the earlier one?
That one a little bit noise type it is there. Not
No.
that this now it is okay. It is clear now.
Okay. I'm sorry to keep my mic closer to me. Okay. I think this is better. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. No. Fine. So when do we use if condition? When do we use if else condition? Right?
Yes.
Here, when decision making is required for only true case, only for one case that is true,
Okay.
then what you will do here? You'll go for if. Here decision making is required when certain condition is true. If, okay, if will be used, if will be used, certain condition is true only. Okay, when
Okay.
certain condition is true, then we use if. Okay, am I clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Let me see. I have employee salary 1 is equal to, okay, I have taken the negative data here. Unfortunately, I have entered wrong. Wrongly, I have entered negative values. So here I have to check if salary 1 greater than 0. Okay,
Okay.
then what I'll do? salary is greater than 0. Correct, no?
Okay. Yes.
Okay, if it is negative here, now it is not printing anything because this statement gets executed when this condition is true only.
Okay.
Okay, here decision making is required when this condition is true.
Okay.
Correct, no?
Yes.
This is what happening here. Am I clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So if condition we will use in the program when certain condition is true, in those cases we use if. Whereas if else, okay, so we use if else when when there are two options, either true or false.
Okay.
Whenever
If
we
false,
have two options, true or false, we will go for else. Okay, else I'm writing here. I'm writing else also. Unfortunately, if I have entered negative value here, print please provide positive, please provide positive data, positive salary. I'm just writing positive salary. Okay. This will not be happen in all the cases here, right?
yes.
Let me take the data from the user, input of,
Input.
enter, emp sal. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. So let me execute this. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Salary is greater than 0. So here, right? Now I'm running once again. This time I'm giving negative data here. Please provide positive salary.
Yes.
Okay. Salary must
Okay.
be positive. Okay.
Yes.
As you
Okay.
want. See, there are two options, either this or this. Okay.
Either true or false.
Yes, we'll go for if else. If condition is only for
True
true
condition.
cases. If
Okay.
else is for either true case or false
False.
case.
Okay.
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 Now you have to note down this question here. So that I'm expecting from from you. Okay. So write a program to find denomination of entered amount. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Entered amount. Example here. Okay. Amount is equal to, let's say, 4,600. 4,600. Here you need to find out the denomination. Okay. Denomination of note, let's say 500 rupees notes. Okay. Is equal to how many are possible here? How many you will get? Okay, 9 you will get,
9
right?
is will get this.
Max. Okay. 100 notes. 100 rupees notes. How many you will get? One, na?
Extra one is.
Correct, na?
Yes.
9 5 45.
Yeah, 100.
4,500 plus 100, right?
100. Yes.
Okay. Now, I'll change this to, yeah. Okay. Now, in this case, you have to find out 50 rupees notes is equal to, how many you'll get?
1.
1, na? So remaining amount
20.
okay is equal to 30, na?
Yeah, 30.
Is it right?
Yes.
Okay, now this is your task. You should accept the amount from the user. Okay,
Okay.
you need to build the logic for this program using only if condition. Don't use if else also. If else is also not required here. Just use only if.
Okay.
This is assignment for you.
Okay. Can you please tell me one more time? I didn't get, sir.
No, you should
By you.
find out the denomination of entered amount. For
Okay.
example, entered amount is 4,680. Okay, maximum number of 500 notes I'll get 9 year. Maximum number of 100 notes I'll get 1 year. Maximum
Okay.
number of 50 notes I'll get how much?
1.
The remaining amount is 30,
30.
right?
Yeah.
This I'm expecting from you. Okay,
Okay.
will you try this?
I will
Because
try.
just you have to use only if. Need not to use any other logics also. Just to use the if, just to apply your thought. Try to
Okay.
do this.
Okay, sir. I will do. I will try
Okay.
that one. Okay.
Yeah. Shall I continue or is this okay today?
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Because when days are going, then we will increase the time. Let me
Oh, okay.
go
Okay.
slowly.
Okay. Sure.
Okay.
Okay.
Now let me summarize in today's session what we have covered in today's session. Okay. Can you summarize what we have covered in today's session? Okay. Can you summarize, Abhishek?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why?
Can you summarize today's class?
Yeah, sir. Arithmetic operations we covered.
We have started from operators, right?
Operators.
Yeah,
Operators.
very good.
In that operators, we have covered arithmetic operations and relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators. And after that, we covered control statements like if else.
Correct.
Yeah.
Right? Total
Yes.
operators are here 6. Okay.
Okay.
Arithmetic,
If else.
assignment operator, relational
Yeah.
operator, logical operators,
Bitwise operators.
bitwise operators, special operators.
Yeah.
Apart from that, we have covered control statements in Python. If else, elif, nested if. So I have to cover that remaining 2 control statements, elif and nested if. In tomorrow's session I'll cover that. Okay.
Okay.